Let's talk about lace fronts, in particular, how to make them look a little more natural by adding some baby hairs at the front. Coming up. There's a lot we can do to make a lace front look more natural. I have plucked and tweezed some very dense hairlines to make them look a little more natural. I've used some foundation powders, even eyeshadow to help blend and soften a lace front. But today I want to talk about how adding a few baby hairs up against your lace front can help it look a little more natural. And if you think into the natural world where natural biological hair kind of starts out as little vellus hairs, those hairs that don't really grow and they're kind of translucent in color. And then it moves back into more baby hairs, which are fine in thin density, and then it kind of gets gradually a little more thicker as you move back into the main body of the hair. And so we want to mimic nature that looks most natural. So what I like to do is just take a few very simple appliances and techniques to make this happen. My favorite tool for brushing up a lace front, making it look more natural, waking it up, and possibly even adding some baby hairs is a spoolie brush. This is on the opposite end of my eyebrow pencil, but there's your spoolie brush. Okay, this is meant to kind of separate and shape your eyebrows. A lot of us have these. So this is the perfect tool to add some baby hairs. So I am wearing the Estetica Wren in RH1488 RT8. Now Wren features some very fine, silky fiber. The hairline against the lace front is pretty dense, and it does not extend, so you are liable to be able to spot a seam. So we want to cover that up as well. So the first thing that I like to do is just take and loosely clip back the hair away from the area that I'm going to be working in, which again is that lace front. Okay, so that exposes the entirety of that lace front. Runs temple to temple, it stops here. Now, it's not exactly straight. There we go. So that is straight. There are your seams right there. Okay, so you can see where that is, the lace front looks really good on this one, actually, but I can enhance that with the baby hair look. So what I like to do is just take that spoolie and pull down just the very, very beginnings of hair, not too much, okay? The trick is to make them look like baby hairs, and those are baby hairs. That spoolie can grab just a few. It won't take too much, okay? And you want to do that all along this lace front. You're not even going to be able to see them. So there's a couple of things now that we can do. I can leave them just like this and work with the baby hair just like it is there, or I may also opt to trim them. So I would always do that by using these texturizing or blending shears, and I would just trim in this little baby to the desired length and then tack them down. Now by tacking them down, you can use a variety of products. There's styling creams out there, even hairspray would work. And I think I would prefer to use the silicone product that I love, this light, Simply Stylin' Light Silicone, and or perhaps even some WIG wax. This is a very light holding product, but it helps you shape and form it. So in this case, I am just going to leave them at their original length without trimming them in, and that's perfectly okay because I'm just going to follow the parting space here. Okay, and I'm going to pull them flat to the head, and then I'm going to apply some product. And in this case, I think I just want to do a little bit of the Simply Stylin'. And what I would do is just put a little bit of it in the palm of my hand, like this. This is excellent for wigs. And then I would start at the root, press down. We're redirectioning the root. We're giving it a little bit of healthy silicone there for the fiber. Okay, you could also go in and use steam to permanently flatten them. But in this case, I'm just going to press them down along the hairline. I'm going to keep pressing all the way down and allowing the main hair to overcome it there. Okay, again, a terrible mirror. This is for concept only. And then when I release, there is an appearance of little baby hairs at the hairline. And I feel like that really makes a nice natural look. Again, you don't have to cut your wigs. You don't have to alter them permanently. You can just do these few steps here. And the next time you style it, and you don't want the baby hairs or you're covering them up, you can always repeat this process as often as you like. But there are some little baby hairs there that make a lace front look a little more natural. I hope some of these tips do help you. If not help you, at least inspire you to think about solutions that will help you create the look that you like. Enjoy your day. We'll see you soon on Taz's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One.